everyone. Today I'm in the middle of a snow-covered forest. The temperature has dropped below zero and the freezing cold makes everything more difficult. Here is where I begin my survival journey. I'm heading further inside. The place where I'll take on my challenge is somewhere deep in that forest. Oh wow, I didn't expect it to be this cold. The snow has completely covered the mountains and moving around is going to be a bit difficult. Let's keep going before it gets dark. I still haven't found a place to shelter for tonight. The freezing cold is almost numbing my body, and the forest in front of me is nothing but a vast blanket of white snow. If I can't find a place to set up camp soon, tonight is going to be really difficult. The deeper I go, the harder the path becomes. The snow is getting thicker and deeper. This is definitely going to be a memorable challenge for me. It's so cold, really cold. I need to find a place to set up my tent as quickly as possible. I've finally found a place to set up my tent. I need to be quick now. My body temperature is starting to drop and I need to warm myself up as soon as possible. The wind and snow are getting really strong. Oh no, the wind is blowing my tent away.
Shit. Das sollte Das scheint der bessere Platz zu sein. Ein bisschen gerader zumindest. Ich werde das Zelt jetzt hier hoch verschieben. Aber das ist schon mal zufriedenstellend. Ich bin aus dem Wind draußen, das heißt, ich kann überleben.
I need to reinforce my tent. If a snowstorm hits, it could easily be blown away again. This is going to be a really tough job. Finally, I've finished setting up the tent. It's a hot tent and it will help me survive the night. But first, I need to go find some firewood for the stove. I'll probably have to go deeper into that forest to look for dry wood.
Absoluter Glückstreffer. Das Holz liegt hier und ist trocken. Ist perfekt.
I'm not sure if this pile of firewood will be enough for tonight. The temperature is already dropping and the forecast says there might be a snowstorm tonight. If that happens, it's going to be really terrible.
Es wird langsam kälter. Ich habe jetzt die erste Portion zuschaufeln, denn der Wind treibt den Schnee da unten rein und macht mir das Holz an. Und dann einheizen. Ja. Was jetzt nicht ganz so schlecht ist, weil ich habe die schmale Seite, also der Wind kommt ziemlich genau in diese Richtung. Abspann.
The fire is going now. I need to add plenty of firewood to keep myself warm. It's getting darker outside, and the wind and snow are becoming colder. I don't know what might happen tonight. I'm starting to feel a little worried. I'm preparing my dinner now. I need a hot and satisfying meal. My favorite dish, fried chicken. I'm going to fry it until it's crispy and add some delicious seasoning. With a tasty dipping sauce, I'm already starting to feel a little better. I'll add a little more light to make the space feel less scary. It seems like the firewood might not be enough for tonight. I'm going to go outside and collect a bit more. That way, I'll feel more at ease. Everything is finally in place. It's time to get some sleep and rest after this long, exhausting, and freezing day. I just hope tonight will be calm. Let me check the tent one more time, and then it's time to sleep.
Hier drinnen hat es das kleine Thermometer aufgehangen, aber das hat leider den Geist aufgegeben.
The temperature right now is minus 17 degrees Celsius. It's really freezing.